Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I will show you how to set up Stripe payments in your WooCommerce. Also, if you haven't yet, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the newest videos, and if you did, let's dive in. The first thing we have to do is to actually install and activate the official Stripe payment plugin in your WooCommerce dashboard. For that, of course, I will go into my WordPress now, and you can search Stripe to actually come here and find the WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. This is of course the official app, so it is the best working one. All you have to do, of course, is to upgrade and activate. For that, you cannot use your free plan. You have to upgrade your plan, which is of course needed. Of course, after activating our WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway, we would have to go to WooCommerce again, go into settings from here after adding your Stripe, payments, and when you go into payments, you will be able to see all the supported gateways that are there, and you will find Stripe and enable it, because without enabling it explicitly, we can't do the other settings. Of course, after that, we would have to go into Stripe settings, because we need to fill critical API credentials, and to be able to do that, you have to have your Stripe active and enabled. To do that, and to get your API, of course, you would have to go into stripe.com, and if you don't have an account yet, create an account. The best thing about Stripe is that they are free until you start earning money, and they take a simple cut of your earnings. So no, you can open Stripe as soon as you want, but you will not pay any money until you actually start making money. After opening your Stripe account, you will need to go into Dashboard, then go into Developer section and reveal API keys and put it to your WooCommerce section. But we also need a webhook. Webhooks are really used to Stripe to communicate with your site, and without a webhook, you would not be able to get any status information or anything like that. To get your webhook, you will also go into Stripe Dashboard, then of course Developer section, and you will need to get something called an endpoint. After getting it to Stripe Dashboard Developer section again, to get to your endpoint, you will take that endpoint and put that to your WooCommerce webhook section. It really works for notifications perfectly, so you will know whatever happens with the payments, failed or accepted. After getting our payments, of course, we would use something called test mode. This is not necessary, but of course it is always advised to do the test mode, and it will start in test mode, so it is just simply really good. You would able to test accepted payments, failed payments, how they work, if they work, and to make sure, of course, they are available to you. You will also get something called the secret link part, and you will paste it to your WooCommerce section as well, because of course without the WooCommerce part, you will not be able to actually get all the ideas and use all the features. And like I said, don't forget to test everything before making your website and making your WooCommerce live. So of course with that, you will be able to do everything perfectly. If everything is good, you can just go select the test mode, uncheck that, and just go live. And with that out of the way, that will basically be it. If you have any other questions, you can always ask them down in the comment section. And other than that, we hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.